I have been asked to do a video on a pencil extender. I used to use the kind that you buy at art stores, at Amazon, things like that, and I found that they had some metal right where the extender meets the pencil, and it wore on my finger as I would draw, and I thought there's got to be something better than this. I don't remember how I came up with this. It was quite a long time ago. I believe someone told me about it. I'm not sure. But taking a Bic pen apart, which I have done, I took this Bic pen apart, but you can use any pen like this. This is like a Bic pen. And so I took it apart, and what you do is you pop off this black part here and you take out the insides. Let's see if I can get this one apart. Yep, take out the insides, and then you have something looking like that. So I did that, and I was using Prismacolor pencils at the time and found that the one I used for the Prismacolor pencils wasn't big enough for my Polychromos pencils. So I took this one that I used for Prismacolor and I used a little too much heat, but it works. So I don't use one for Prismacolors anymore, because what I do with Prismacolors is I glue them together. And when I glue them together, I use all of this pencil. Most of the time, I use it all the way. Sometimes, when it gets down to the joint, the lead will fall out. But most of the time, it goes right through the pencil sharpener all the way to the next pencil. So I don't use a pencil extender for Prismacolors any longer. So I'd want to make one for my Polychromos. So what you would do is you take a heat device, whether it be a hair dryer or in this case a heat gun, and you heat the end. Let me get this out of the way. Heat the end. Ooh, that gets hot right away. And you try not to heat the end too much. So let's see if that's enough heat. Not quite enough, so let's try it again. You gotta be careful not to get it too hot. This is a kind of a thick casing, so it may take, oh, I feel it's kind of soft. And I'm pushing the pencil down into it. Still not hot enough. I see it's misshaping a little. I think that might have been a little much. Yeah, it was. Then you put your, whoa, it is hot. Put your pencil in there. Okay, that's pretty far in there. So that's firm. You see how it's misshaped right there? And you let it cool. And once that's cool, you'll be able to pop your pencils in and out pretty easily. So I've been told that a luminance is even bigger than this. So let me go get one of those. Okay, let's try it with this one. Oh yeah, that's much bigger. And this feels like it's thinner than that last pen casing. So we'll see how it takes the heat. And it might be a little smaller in diameter as well. So we may have to heat this up pretty good and misshape it purposely. Nope, a little bit more. Let's try the Prismacolor. Yeah, it's even small for the Prismacolor, but it did work for Prismacolor. So let's see. Ooh, if I could just get it a little bit more. Nope, still needs to be hotter. I see it misshaping. So I'm a little reluctant to go any hotter than that. Oh, okay. Sorry, thought it was in view. Let's shape it with this. Yeah, see, it's already, it got hot enough, but I'm wondering if the pencil is just too big for this casing. Poly can go in there. Now this casing wasn't big enough around, but it works nicely with the Prismacolor. So I would say make sure that you've got a casing that's bigger around than this one, because look at, you can see the difference. This, let me get the pencil out of there. This one's smaller around than this one. So look for a pencil big enough around. Let's see, I mean pen. And this one is, yeah, this one we could use for a luminance. But I don't want to take your whole day. So that's my short video on how to make a pencil extender out of a pen casing using heat.